Whether it's the outdoors that you like, camping, fishing, exploring, or even if you're a tradie, this is the storage solution for you. The Adventure Series range of cases come in a variety of sizes to suit your application. These are designed to be tough. So tough, they're backed by a lifetime warranty. But they're also lightweight because we know how important weight is for caravanners and four-wheel drivers out there. Let's start off with some of the features. We have heavy-duty lift points on all four sides and high-strength carry handles for your convenience. Each case comes with these lockable steel latches and heavy-duty gas struts on all the larger boxes. They're water and dust proof and impact resistant, so they're made from UV stabilised food grade material. And one of my favourite features is this like-for-like interlocking design. So you can get home, stack them all in the garage and save a heap of space. One of the features that's easily overlooked but is an absolute favourite amongst my mates is this little bottle opener here, because everyone's looking for one of those while you're sitting around the campfire. An extremely important feature is that you have these recessed tie-down points around each side of the case. So why is that important? You can have your case tied down and still gain access through the lid. While we're talking about the lid, have a look at the construction. You can see here where it gets all its strength from. The Adventure Series range of cases come in black or grey, but check the website for other colours that may become available. Whilst these cases are designed to keep the dirt and dust out, they could also be used to keep the dust and dirt in. Think about those times where you've got sandy towels, dirty, muddy recovery gear. This is a great place to store all of that. However, you do need to flush it out, and that's why every one of these Adventure Series cases comes with a high flow drain plug. And if portability is important to you, you might want to look into the range that has the weight rated wheels. And to help organise your gear, check out our wide range of canvas bags and hard cases designed to fit in our Adventure range. For more information on our Adventure range, check out caos.com.au.